Assalamu alaikum. Our chapter number 3 in the marketing research process, consumer marketing. Conducting the number first Malk question used to collect large amount of information to allow telephone interviewing, personal interviewing. Good method of collecting information quickly. Research instruments. In collecting primary data, market research have a choice of two research instruments. The questionnaires or mechanical devices. Questionnaires are very flexible. There are many ways to questions. Research instruments. In collecting primary, step number 3, implementing the research plan. The researcher next puts the marketing research plan into action. Data collection can be carried out by the company's marketing research staff by or outside firms. However, outside firms, though this applies in data collection, often can do the job more quickly at the lower cost. Step number 4, interpreting and reporting in the findings. The final step in the marketing research process is interpreting and reporting the findings. Research holders present important findings that are useful in the major decisions forced by management. Consumer markets. Consumer buy behavior refers to buy behavior to a final consumer, individual and households who buy goods and services for personal consumptions. Consumer behavior. Consumer behavior is the process through which the ultimate buyer makes purchase decisions. They can be defined as the process involved in individuals or groups select, purchase, idea, experiences, satisfy needs and desires. Summer 1996. Consumer behavior. Consumer the actions directly involved in obtaining, consuming, and disposing of product and services, including the decisions process that precedes and follow those actions. Consumer behavior examines mental and emotional process in addition to the physical activities by marketing application. Consumers behavior. Almost all type of decision to be made in marketing for the reason being to all the function performed in marketing involved. Positioning. Arranging for a product to occupy a clear, distinctive, and desirable place to relative to competing products in the minds to target consumers first. Some firms find it easy to choose their positioning strategy. For example, a firm well known for a quality in certain segments will go for his position in a new segment if there are enough buyers seeking quality, but in many cases two or more. The positioning task consists of 3 steps: identifying a set of possible competitive advantages upon which to build a position, choosing a right competitive advantages, and selecting an overall positioning strategy. The company must then effective consuming and segmentations, dividing a market into distinct groups of buyers on the basis of needs, characteristics of a behavior to might require separate product or a marketing mixes. A product development strategy of a marketing growth by offering modified or a new product to current market segments, developing the product concept into a physical product in order to ensure that product developing a modify a new products to current markets. Market development, a strategy of a company growth by identifying and developing new market segments.